Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the base and height. Find the base shape and calculate its area A. Next, measure the perpendicular height h from the base plane to the apex. If the apex is offset, drop a perpendicular. Once done, convert all measures to the same units so an h match. Make sure to use the base area formula appropriate to the polygon. For example, use 1/2 base height for triangular bases, because an accurate sets up the correct volume. You now calculate volume using V equals 1/3 times A times H. First, compute it precisely. For triangular base, use 1/2 BH base. For rectangles, multiply length-width. For polygons, use apothem methods or triangulation. Then multiply by the perpendicular height h and divide by 3. If numbers are awkward, carry extra decimal places and round at the end. Once complete, express the result in cubic units and verify units cancel properly you finish by rounding the volume to the right significant figures and writing units, cm3, m3, etc. Next, validate the answer. Compare with a decomposition method or a simple 3D model to confirm order of magnitude. If the pyramid is irregular, re-evaluate whether h is perpendicular to the chosen base. If a mismatch appears, remeasure the height and recompute A. Small errors in A or H create proportional volume errors, so correct those before reporting the final value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.